Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I'm a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. In today's video, I want to share with you the benefits of coconut oil, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar into your hair. These three products are excellent to help you keep your hair moisture, restore damage, and prevent scalp issues. The first product that you will need for this home remedy is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very moisturizing and makes your hair look shiny and healthy. Also, it helps retain protein. Protein is very important to keep the hair healthy. And sometimes when you have damaged hair with color or other things, your hair gets weak, and by protein is very important, and coconut oil helps your hair retain that protein so it stays healthier longer. Other benefits of the coconut oil is that it's an excellent moisturizer. So if you're lacking moisture in your hair, your hair is dry and frizzy, dry coconut oil before shampooing is an excellent treatment. And coconut oil is great as a detangler. So if you tend to get your hair tends to get breakage and tangles, using coconut oil before shampooing is great, and it will protect your hair from further damage when you shampoo it. And also it will protect your hair from the elements like the sun, the wind, and pollution. The other product that is very good for your hair is olive oil. Olive oil is full of antioxidants which help keep your scalp healthy. It also stimulates hair growth, is excellent at moisturizing your hair, and if you have any scalp issues like dandruff, this product is excellent for that. The next product that I really feel that had been a game changer in the health of my hair is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps strengthen your hair, improve luster of your hair so it looks shiny and more healthy, since it helps us close the cuticle of your hair. It also balances the pH of your hair so it looks healthier. Apple cider vinegar is also excellent as a anti-inflammatory, so if you have any scalp issues like dandruff, this product will help you reduce the itchiness, the inflammation, and also if you have any bacterial problems, it will also help control that. Apple cider vinegar is a great alternative to use after applying your shampoo, since it helps close the cuticles so that your hair looks smoother and shinier. If you want to learn how to make your own pre-poo treatment, make sure to keep watching. After mixing the coconut oil and olive oil, section your hair and distribute the product evenly into your hair. Massage the oil mix into your hair. This treatment is great to do that before shampooing, and also it will help you detangle your hair. Make sure to use a detangler brush so it will be softer and prevent breakage. Make sure to evenly distribute the product. As you can see right now, I'm using my detangler brush to spread the product evenly, and now I'm putting my hair into a bun and using a plastic cap to maintain my hair in place, and adding a hair towel just to keep my hair warm. That way the product will penetrate into my hair follicle even faster. As I mentioned earlier, this is a pre-shampoo treatment to allow the product to sit for at least 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight. After that, just shampoo as usual. After that, I'm using a apple cider vinegar rinse, which is 1 part apple cider vinegar, 3 parts water. This mixture will help, as I mentioned before, prevent any scalp issues, remove buildup, also helps close the follicles, which helps make the hair look smoother and healthier, and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing off. Now I'm using my conditioner and rubbing it before into my hands. I always like to start applying my conditioner from the mid to end, which is the area which tend to get drier, and whatever is left I just spread it on top of the hair just to smooth it out. But it's always good to apply the product first from the mid to end and scrunch the product a little bit so it can penetrate into your hair. And I also like to wait for about 5 minutes before rinsing, and when I do, I rinse with cold water to help close the follicles as well. And voila, here you have the final result after applying the coconut oil, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. How my curls look shinier and healthier. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you can start incorporating these 3 products into your hair routine. I guarantee that you will notice a big difference. Since I started using the coconut oil, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar, I noticed that my hair is getting healthier. I'd had a lot of heat damage and color damage into my hair, and since I started incorporating these 3 products, my scalp is healthier. I don't have product buildup, I don't have more itchiness. My curls, my pattern of my curls is more defined and less frizzy. My hair used to be super frizzy. Now it's a little bit more control. I have more volume, I have more definition, and are products that you probably already have in your kitchen. So take advantage of those products. If you decide to try these tips, make sure to let me know in the comments below, or you can follow me on my Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto for more beauty, makeup, and skincare and hair care videos. Stay tuned for next week's tutorial where I will show you my step-by-step how to style my hair using a denim brush. See you next week.